Welcome to PopupCantonese.com. I'm Brendan.
大家好，我係 Nicole。
Today we're going to go into some common nouns, ones that you're likely to use at the start of any conversation in Cantonese.
Right.
Before we do, though, let's just do a quick review of those pronouns. We really want to make sure you know them.
我、你、佢、我哋、你哋、佢哋。
All right, now let's get to the main point of this lesson.
Yeah.
China.
中國
中國
China.
中國
中國
That is a first tone and a third tone, right? A
Yeah.
high flat tone and then a mid-range flat tone.
中國
中國
You may see this word in such popular sentences as, I love China.
我愛中國 I should have said it more passionately.
Yeah, you need to sell that.
我愛中國
我愛中國
What about, do you like China?
你鍾唔鍾意中國
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 Now, other regions that you might want to know, especially if you're in, one of the Cantonese-speaking parts of China, Hong Kong.
香港
But of course, the hometown for Cantonese would be
廣東
And of course, we can't forget Macau. Everybody always forgets Macau, but it's a charming little city.
It is 澳門 It sounds very different from the English name, I know.
Yeah.
澳門
Moving on, anyway, past the borders of Greater China, America.
美國
美國
That's a fifth tone and a third tone.
美國
美國
So that's me. Our fearless leader, David, is from Canada.
加拿大
That is a first tone, a fourth tone, and a sixth tone.
加拿大
Australia would be
澳洲
Now, of course, if we've left out your favorite country, leave us an angry note in the comments and we'll get around to fixing it.
Definitely.
So if you wanted to say American, you take the word for America
美國
and person.
人
美國人
美國人
What if we wanted to say, I am an American?
我係美國人
我係美國人
He is Canadian.
佢係加拿大人
She is British.
佢係英國人
Now, Nicole, where are you from?
廣東
So you would be...
廣東人
So now we've got our countries and our places. Let's get to languages. The word for English is
英文
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 that is a first tone and a second tone.
英文
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 And the way you would say please speak English would be
唔該講英文
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 Now the word for Chinese, of course, is
中文
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 and so if we want to reassure somebody that, they can speak Chinese, it's okay, we can handle it.
你可以講中文
你可以講中文
你可以講中文 And in Hong Kong or in Macau, when you say that sentence, people will assume that you're asking them to speak Cantonese, actually.
Right, because this is their frame of reference. They
Yeah.
haven't been subjected to the Cantonese bad, Mandarin good propaganda that they have on the mainland. On the other hand, if you're in Guangzhou,
Yeah, or 廣東
yeah, you may have to specify, Cantonese.
廣東話廣東話
Right, it's the same thing. It's the place name
廣東
plus the word for speech or spoken language.
話廣東話 It's 話 versus 文
Right, and the difference there really is that Hua it's a spoken language.
Yeah,
Whereas Man it's something that's written and formal.
right.
So put it together and you get the word for the Cantonese language.
廣東話
You can speak Cantonese to me.
你可以講廣東話
Now that takes us just about to the end of today's lesson. A quick run-through before we go of some of the stuff we covered. China,
中國
Chinese person,
中國人
Chinese language,
中文
Cantonese language,
廣東話
Hong Kong,
香港
and the US.
美國
And that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions or comments,
Please leave us a comment on popupcantonese.com.
and we look forward to hearing from you.
Yeah, we hope you 鍾意 this lesson.
Yes. Thanks for listening. Have fun.
Bye.